My friends, I found a piece that I need in the bucket of stuff Glenn threw away that was in the trash, different parts. Now, see how it's leaking a little bit? That's no big deal to me. I'm only showing this to fabricate this for the stores or NASA or whoever's going to engineer it and come up with it. I'm just showing them what I need to make this device work. So, see how these two... And let me shut this off. So it's not leaking all over the place, not leaking all over me. See how these two match? And I gotta get the coupler that match these two hoses together. So, and I'll try to hold it correctly so you can see it. I mean, it's better to take pictures sometimes than it is video, because... Alright, I need the coupler that puts these two together so that this hose would be filled with water and spray out once I hook it to the air compressor. So, once you turn that knob right there, the water will fill to this hose and come through the air compressor, and I'll be able to take this sprayer and push the button and spray it, and with the other sprayer, spray out water, and the two of them together, it'll be steam cleaning. It'll be water and high pressured air, hot water, very hot water, because my hot water gets hot. So, and then it will clean up, like I said, it will clean up all of that mouse shit and piss that was all over when I got home. I mean, I had to do it the hard way and take water and get down there and put the hot water on there and scrub it, and then take the air hose and then spray it and get the mouse shit and the piss off there. Now, with my one downstairs, it was easy because I could just take my high-pressured hose that I showed you the other day in the video. I could take that high-pressured hose and just hold the nozzle down and spray the shit out of everything and clean everything. I mean, I cleaned that whole basement in 2 hours. It was simple. But if I could find that little coupler piece in here, that would be awesome, but I highly doubt it. You know, I don't know what I'm going to find in here. So, some keys I need for something probably. Who knows? Who knows what the hell he was throwing away? Like I said, they were doing drugs on all my spoons. There's my spoons for space that go through the lanyard. And like I told you, they're all missing. All my silverware was taken by Glenn and Sherry. And like I said, I had knives, forks, spoons, and the lanyard goes through here and hangs for space. I need to find some more of these. I need to find a whole nother set. Right now I'm just using plastic ones that Bill gave me, but I need to find a whole set of these so I can hang them off that lanyard for my space station equipment, just like I hung... There's the sprayer. Just like I hung... And see, the reason it's all rusty is because water goes through it. Just like I hung all of these off the lanyards for the pots and pans, and all of these off the lanyards for... And I had forks and spoons and knives, and like I said, they took all that shit because it's all gone. And they were using the spoons to do heroin on. Who knows what they were using the knives and the forks. I mean, I don't understand. Like I told you, some things just make no sense. I guess they thought I was going to stab them in the face with a fork. You know, just like the mental hospital doesn't want to give you, they only give you plastic stuff. They don't want to give you, because they're worried, and I understand these things. And I tell them, let's do this with this, let's do this with this. Like yesterday, I had my belt on, and I took my belt off and gave it to the cop because I was like, I could strangle that fucking lady with this belt. And I gave him my armband that holds my video recorder because they said I couldn't record them. And I got her on recording when I first got there anyway. That's all he wanted. He wanted her face. He wanted to know who she is, to make sure she's not working for the cartel, and to make sure that she's not setting me up. My general wants to look into her and see who she is. And I said, okay, I'll get her face. I did. All right, late.